Hello and welcome to a TaxWare video tutorial. Today, we will be going over the Recall Prior screen, which is how you will pull in clients from previous year tax program. From the main menu, you will choose box number 3, Recall Prior. This screen will show you a list of all prior year clients that are in your current selected prior year path. From here, you can use the search boxes on the left as well as the column tabs to help you find the client you are looking for to bring into the current year. When you have found the client you wish to pull in, simply double-click on that client to pull them in. The first prompt that comes up will ask you to enter a unique client ID. By default, the program will select the next highest number in the list of clients you have already added. If you want to change the ID, here you can, but for this tutorial, I will leave it as default. The next prompt to appear will ask for the driver license information, and it will show the prior year's driver license information along with it. Due to IRS guidelines, the program cannot automatically copy over this information, but this screen will allow you to quickly verify the information with your client and bring in the information. You may then get additional prompts for tax year or client specific information. Complete any remaining prompts, and upon finishing, you will end up in the basic information screen, ready to begin the return. The most common issue users may come across on the Recall Prior screen is that some or all of their clients aren't showing up from prior year. If you do not see any clients and you know there should be some, you may be selecting the incorrect prior year data folder here at the top of the screen. You can click the prior path button here to select between different data folders that were created in prior year's programs. If you still do not see the correct data listed below, your data might be on a network and this workstation hasn't been set up yet, or your network connection has been disconnected. Please see our video on defaults and settings for more information on setting up data paths or contact technical support if you're having trouble populating this list. This concludes the Recall Prior screen tutorial. If you have further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video and thank you for choosing Taxware.